with my little tutorial for the classroom app Bloomz, which I'll be using with our class this year. And here's what the website page looks like. And for this demo, I'll be using the demo class set up in the Bloomz so we can go through stuff and keep things confidential. So when you first get on, this is the dashboard, and this shows you everything you need to know right at a glance. Here's your main options right here. First, we'll start with the feed. The feed shows you news and things posted by the teacher, and parents can also post and share information with the class. So if I post an announcement, the announcement will show up on the top, and then updates get listed down here. Like for an example, I put hot chocolate. There's a note about our Halloween party. You can see who the other parents are signed up. If you are a parent, you can post here as well. And just if you find a cool app you want to share, or just any kind of news you want to share with the class, you're welcome to post here also. I also like the sign up option, and I use this a lot with our class. So this is where I'll post opportunities for you guys to come help in our classroom, or there might be times when I need you to help with something you can do from home. So anything from joining our class to cutting lamination or helping with class parties. So how this works, like if I need help on Mondays with our special classes, you would just click on this. Then it gives you the information, the day, the time, and where it is. Because it's a reoccurring event, you'll see the different event times down here, and you can click the sign up button to sign up. This will look a little different because I'm in the teacher mode, but you'll just sign up. You can select if you want a reminder, and just hit sign up right there. And then it'll be listed with who's signed up to do it, and I can quickly view and see who's coming that day, and it also helps you remember what things you've signed up for as well. Like with our classroom Halloween party, it was great because I knew how many parents were coming exactly, who was bringing what, and it was all kept in one nice, easy to find spot instead of through emails and notes that I might misplace. So it's been great for signups this year. One other thing that's good to get set up on your account, you go underneath settings and then go to account settings and notifications. Up here at the top, quiet hours, you can set when you don't want to get notifications. So me personally, I have it set up to from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. If you send something to me during that time, I won't get it because hopefully I'm sleeping. So you can set this as well so you won't get any dings or any other notifications during that time. You can also see everything else that Bloomz will send you a notification for, and you can turn it on or off. Yeah, just so how many times you want to get dings for everything, you're welcome to turn it on or off. So that's a quick overview of Bloomz. Here's a quick shot of our morning class. We can see the other parents in the class, share pictures. It's been a really great tool. Afternoon class. So I'm able to split both classes up and still keep everything straight. You can also send me a message from Bloomz. We can message back and forth really easily, and it kind of keeps a feed of our messages, and we can easily scroll through those. Um, so anyway, I hope you guys will like it as much as I have liked using Bloomz so far. Um, I'm really happy with it, and I'd love to get your feedback, how you're enjoying this as well. Thanks.